Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Space set 60430, and it is the Interstellar Spaceship from 2024 to 2025. And as you can see, this is what the Interstellar Spaceship looks like. And this is a jetpack for the astronaut. And also lift the cockpit lid up, or the windscreen of the cockpit to take the astronaut out. And this would make a nice addition to your LEGO City display for space theme. So with this spaceship, you press on the top here, and then it opens up at the back. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my email is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.